The Corsair Dominator Platinum RGB DDR4 3600 MHz memory kit is a game-changer for high-performance PC builds. With a total of 32 GB in a pack of two 16 GB modules, this RAM is not just about capacity, but also about speed and reliability. Sporting a sleek black design, this memory kit stands out with its iconic Corsair Dominator Platinum aesthetic, perfect for those who want their systems to look as good as they perform. One of the standout features of this memory kit is its high-frequency performance and tight response times. Thanks to hand-sorted, tightly screened memory chips, you can expect superior speed and stability, even with overclocking. This makes it an excellent choice for gamers, content creators, and anyone who needs reliable, high-speed memory. The craftsmanship of the Corsair Dominator Platinum RGB is evident in its construction. The precision die casting and anodization process not only enhance its durability but also give it a premium look and feel. This is memory that's built to last, both in terms of performance and physical resilience. A major highlight of this RAM is the customizable RGB lighting. Each module features 12 ultra-bright, individually addressable RGB LEDs, allowing you to illuminate your PC with spectacular lighting effects. Using Corsair's ICE software, you can create virtually limitless lighting effects and even monitor real-time frequency and temperature, adding a new level of customization and control to your setup. Corsair's patented dual-channel DChex cooling technology is another feature that sets this memory kit apart. By embedding a heat spreader directly into the PCB, it effectively pulls heat away from the modules. This ensures that the Dominator Platinum RGB stays cool even under extreme stress, which is crucial for maintaining performance and longevity. This memory kit is widely compatible with the latest motherboards and supports Intel XMP 2.0 for easy setup. Whether you're building a new PC or upgrading an existing one, the Corsair Dominator Platinum RGB DDR4 3600 MHz memory kit offers top-tier performance, reliability, and stunning aesthetics. If you're looking for the best memory to complement your high-end system, this is it. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.